In this video, we will discuss italic tag and some more tags. So let's look at italic tag. We can use I for M to make the text italic. So let's see how does it work. For this, we need to make the text a copy of the previous files. I want to copy and paste the file, and I want to rename this file with the italic.html and enter the file, and you can use italic tag. And I have many paragraphs. I want to remove these paragraphs. I want to text just turn this text into italic. So just I will start I tag and make this text italic. Okay, so now just copy the file, just save your file and copy the path and paste over here. So what we need to do, you just need to come to your file, and you can see that this text has been made italic. So the other text has been considered as a normal paragraph, and this is italic. So you can see that. Now just let's make the text zoom. You can see that this is italic and these are normal text. Next tag we have is underline text. Underline tag is used to make the text underlined. We can also use ins for this, which work the same as underlined. So for this purpose, I want to make copy of this file and paste the file and rename the file with underline tag and enter the file. Now you can see that you have different you have many paragraphs. Just remove the file. So yeah, you have comment tag, remove this also, and now you can see that you can convert the whole paragraph into underline. So what you need to do, you need to just write your u tag for this, and the text you want to cover want to convert this text into underline, you just need to press / it will automatically convert this text into underline. So let's see the result. Let's refresh the file, or you just need to copy the file. You just need to copy the file path and paste over here. You can see that this text has been converted into underlined text. So this is underlined text. If I use ins for this, it works the same. ins, and now you can enclose the you can close the tag with ins with / and now let's see the result. Refresh the file. So it works the same. You can use u tag and you can use ins for this. It works the same. And now we have strike or delete tag. Delete tag, when you want to just remove some text, or not completely remove, or you want to show that this text is not included in the paragraph, you can use this tag. So let's see how does it work. For this purpose, I want to create a file. I want to copy the file and make another copy of this file, and want to rename this file with the delete.html. okay, delete tag. And what I need to do, I just need to remove these tags, extra text, and I want to delete this first line. And what I need to do, I just need to use del and also enclose this text with and you just need to save the file and copy the path and come to your internet browser and just refresh the file. So what do you need to do? You have just deleted this text and it has been shown. So it's a strike or deleted text. So you can use this delete tag like this.